What if I told you that everything you see, hear, and feel is not real? Your brain isn't showing you the world as it is. It's showing you the world as you are. And once you understand this, nothing will ever look the same again. Here's something most people never think about. Right now, your eyes aren't really seeing anything. Your brain is receiving raw signals, light, color, movement, and then it constructs a version of reality based on your past experiences, your fears, and your beliefs. Two people can stand in the same room, look at the same thing, and see something completely different. That's not opinion, that's neuroscience. Your brain has a filter called the Reticular Activating System, or RAS. Think of it like a search engine inside your head. Whatever you focus on, your brain finds more of it. Buy a red car, suddenly you see red cars everywhere. They were always there. Your brain just wasn't looking. This is why anxious people see danger everywhere. This is why confident people see opportunity everywhere. Same world, completely different reality. Your brain isn't finding your reality, it's creating it. And here's the dangerous part. Most people never realize this is happening. They think their reality is the reality. They believe their fears are facts. They believe their limitations are truth. But they're not. They are just the story your brain decided to tell based on what it's been fed your entire life. Negative childhood, your brain learned to expect pain. Constant failure, your brain learned to fear trying. Repeated criticism, your brain learned you're not enough. None of it is real. All of it feels real. That's the trap. So how do you change your reality? Step 1. Question your thoughts. When your brain says, I can't do this, ask, is this actually true, or is this just a pattern? If this changed how you see things, subscribe, because this is exactly what we explore here. See you in the next one.